we are what we do repeatedly. So to change your life, change your habits. Habits make such a significant impact in our life. It transforms our life. So we should be very mindful and thoughtful in the kind of habits we are forming. So your habits will determine your future. Successful people are those with successful habits. So what is habit? Habit is a practice that is very hard to give up. We take shelter of our habits. In fact, habits makes a very deep-rooted impact in our subconscious mind. Habits are best servant, but worst master. So when we control our habits are very helpful and healthy for our growth. But when our habits control us and becomes our master, then they are very ruthless. And a person's all resolutions turns into resolutions. So one time a father called his 3 sons and he told the first son that you see that sapling in the courtyard, please go and bring it, pluck it out and bring it. So this son went and brought to his father within 2 minutes. He told his second son, you see that bushes nearby, go and pluck it out. So this son went. He took 2 hours to pluck and bring it. And then he told his third son that you see that tree, go and bring it. So this third son, he took 2 days to cut the tree and bring it. So similarly, our habits are like trees. In fact, old habits are like deeply rooted trees. It takes months and years to root it out. Habits are like soft cozy bed. So initially very easy to get into, but finally it is very difficult to come out of it. So initially habits are like cobwebs, and with repeated actions it becomes cables, and further it becomes steel cables. So we first make our habits and then our habits makes us. Habits are very addictive. So what is addiction? Addiction is something which is added to your life and which dictates your life. So initially it may be too weak to be fed, but finally it will be too strong to be left. And before we have realized that we have got some habit, actually our habit has got us. So you see the word habit, H-A-B-I-T. So if you remove H, a bit is left. If you remove A, bit is left. If you remove B, it always remains. So habits are very sticky and very difficult to get rid once we form them. Habits affect one's destiny. Our thoughts manifest into actions. Repeated actions form habits. Those habits make up our character, and that character determines our destiny. So that's why they say, sow a thought, reap an action. So we may see the actions, but behind the actions, the fuel is actually supplied in the mind. So habit is more of mental attitude. So if we have to change our habit, first we have to change our mental attitude. So these habits, they form a mental magnet which draws your attention without your knowledge and without your consent. And we act accordingly. We cannot daily forming any habits, but we can choose what kind of habits we want to form. And based on the kind of habit we have formed, it can act for us or it acts against us. So we have to be very thoughtful and choosy in forming our habits. So choose habits which are conducive for your growth, personal growth and professional growth. A change in habits leads to a change in life. Always remember, even if your better choice does not create a better world, it will at least make a better you. Thank you very much.